Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you thinking about deleting your Amazon account permanently? No more orders, Prime or any saved data. This action cannot be undone, so make sure you are ready before even continuing through all of this. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually delete your Amazon account safely. So let's get started, fast and easy as usual. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and look for Amazon.com. You can also use Amazon Shopping app if you are using Android or any iOS. So go to the Amazon.com for me. I'm gonna go and log in using my email address and password. As for now, I'm gonna go through the account and lists. So as you see guys, account and list. You can basically scroll down to customer service if you want to. I will show you how, for example, customer service. Then you have login address and security and privacy. You also have multiple options. These membership subscriptions or communications, payment charges, and all of these options. You can basically look for manage your account here, or you can basically access your account settings from here. As you see, just go through your account. This is basically all of these settings here, including your login and all of this business account. You can even go through the payment, other subscriptions, purchase reminders, request through data, and close your Amazon account. Come here and tap on close your Amazon account, review the warnings, then confirm the account deletion. Cancel Prime and subscriptions first, then download the invoices or order history. So once deleted, you cannot recover your account or any purchase history. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.